Right, hello and welcome back to Bubbles TV. So today's a bit different. It's kind of a new bike day and we're going to do a little bit of a bike check. Ignore whatever you just heard. Right. Might cut that out. Anyway, right, so today is going to be a bit of a new bike day, bike check. It's a bit different to what I normally do. Well, kind of. It's an XC bike. It's an XC race bike. It's my XC race bike. So I don't know if you guys know or have followed my Instagram. So I'm now racing cross country, which is a really stupid idea because it's the hardest thing I've ever done. And the guys over at Ciclista have hooked me up with this BH to use this season, which is awesome. So thanks very much to the guys there, Chris and Drew, and obviously Bike Bros and Yusuf for helping sort of put everyone together on that, which has been sick. And yeah, so let's go check that out. So, here it is, the BH Lynx Race Evo Carbon. So this is a size medium. It looks really small, but I'll be honest, I do like small bikes anyway. Obviously with my background from BMX, I just like small bikes, they're more fun. So, I'll talk you through it a bit. So we've obviously got 100mm travel in the back on the Fox factory float DPS, which is pretty sick. It does have a lockout for both the rear shock and the fork on a remote, which is up here. We're going to take that off. I did a race on Sunday on this bike. We had 1,000 meters of climbing in the hour and a half and didn't use it once, which is a good thing, so that means obviously it pedals well. But yeah, so it's fully carbon. It's got full SRAM XX1 AXS gears, which is just mental. And we've got a SRAM or RockShox Reverb AXS dropper post, which is pretty sick. It's, well, I mean, look at that bad boy go. And then you got it's pretty cool electric stuff. And the thing that I'm really happy about is I've got Shimano XDR brakes. It's actually pure damn luck I'm wearing a Shimano t-shirt, but I'll be honest, Shimano brakes are just, for me, the faultless. I absolutely love them and they work all the time. And obviously it's nice to sound Fox suspension. So you've got the Fox Factory 32 step cast up the front, which obviously they're pretty different to what I'm used to. Obviously I've ridden a 36 and a 38 now, and I mainly ride 36s. So they are very different, but do you know what? No issues thus far. Obviously we'll go and ride it today and we'll see what I think. I'm going to try and hit some bigger stuff, maybe some jumps and that. And I think the biggest thing for me that I've changed, or that might be a bit different to a normal XC rider, is my pedal choice. So at the minute we've got the Crank Brothers Mallet DH Super Brunies on, heaps of platform and lots of float. I think it's just maybe my riding style, I prefer them. Like, I want to be able to clip in, clip out, and kind of have that on the pedal, because I just really like being able to play on my bike, I guess. And Woody's at the weekend is unreal, so if anyone's ever thinking about going to Woody's bike park, do it. You will have fun. I had a lot of fun on this bike. Granted, you might want something a bit more travel for some of the bigger stuff, but for the XC race it was perfect. But yes, with carbon wheels, carbon bars, carbon frame, carbon cranks, carbon seat post, this Pro logo thing. I've never seen a seat like this. Very comfortable. Can confirm I do really like that saddle. But yeah, I got DMR death grip, the Brendog death grips on. What are they? Thin soft, which is just bang on. We've got 30mm wide rims, which I'm pretty happy about because they should survive anything we put them through, which should be sick. But yeah, right, let's take it for a ride. Right, trail one. I tell you what, it's nice to have full suspension on an XC bike. I mean, P6's running a little bit fast at the minute. I love how light these bikes are. You can just pick it up and hop anything. Oh, sensational. I actually forgot to talk you guys through one of the major things I've done. We got 180 rotors, front and back. I like stopping, man. So I wanted something that had a bit of extra bite, so that's why we did that. Right, so we're gonna ride an alternative ending to Clunk, known as Juicy Fruits, which is super, super fun. It'd be better if I had some brakes for it. Where this is a brand new rotor, it's not quite biting up. Oh, this is good fun though. Oh, it's like rough on this, but not. But on hardtail, this would be depressingly miserable. Oh, epic. Right, so we've been through the Northern Monkey jumps now a few times on this super aggressive XC bike on the 34.4. I'll be honest, it jumps really well. It feels a bit like a trail bike, other than it's probably about 10 times faster than one. So I'm having to adjust that a bit. I ended up being like doing BMX losery things on this, just try and slow down before I hit the bigger jump, but we'll go see if we can hit it better now. But XC bikes jump really well, so maybe we should put some more jumps in XC tracks, I don't know. Just an idea. Right, time to hit a jump line. Oh, look at that. Well done. This is so good on this bike. Oh, go on then, Supernova. Oh. Oh my God, that got out of hand. Good Lord, what a trail. Right, I hope you enjoyed watching that one. Obviously it's a new bike, new race bike. It's taken a while for it to come together. You've probably actually all seen me riding it on Instagram and stuff. I'm actually racing it at the second national series this weekend in Monmouth, so that should be fun. But yeah, just thanks to everyone that's been a part of getting that bike for me. So obviously Bike Bros, and then Chris and Drew at Ciclista. Obviously they now distribute BH, so if you're looking for one, go speak to those guys. They're awesome. Just definitely try them. Hopefully there'll be like a demo system at some point as more stock comes available. But yeah, look at the new studio setup. It's not actually a studio, just the dining room, well, not the kitchen. But yeah, thanks for watching as ever. I hope you enjoyed it. Obviously, talk you through the bike and everything, where I run it. Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Probably going to be an actual vlog of the race this weekend, because someone said do an XE vlog, so we're going to do an XE vlog. Yeah, like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.